being the kindest person that anybody has ever met is all fun and games and it's all cool and you're the best person that they know until you realize what you're doing to yourself in the process of making somebody else feel so loved to the point where you feel empty within yourself, and maybe you just let the person do anything they want to without them also realizing what they're actually doing. Do you have any idea why people limit their kindness to certain people and give out kindness only at a certain limit? Yeah, sure, whatever, kindness is free, kindness is, supposed to be spread out to the world, and positivity, blah, blah, blah. All of that is what we've heard since the past few years, right? But what really happens when you're being too nice to a person to the point where you're actually not being nice at all to yourself? There could be multiple reasons as to why you are choosing to be so kind to somebody instead of choosing to be so kind to yourself first. There could be a feeling of loneliness within you, there could be a feeling of emptiness, almost the same thing. You maybe feel that you want to give out your love and appreciation because you never got that. And all of these reasons are really hidden down beneath us, and we never want to unlock that part of us because we feel afraid that if we do that, then we're gonna change who we are and be a different person completely, and people are not gonna like us anymore. Trust me, the right people are gonna be so proud of you when you realize your worth and start taking yourself seriously and prioritize yourself over others. Do you know why I have very limited people in my life currently? Because I am not sweet to every second person that I see. Not because I am a rude person, but because not everybody deserves your kindness, and you really can sense when somebody does not deserve your kindness at all. And personally, I am super, super happy and glad that I have that quality within me, that I know when to be kind and who to be kind with, and I know when to not be kind and when to just be a normal person and not give out too much to the world. Now, there is so much love and positivity that you give out when you're being kind, but is the same thing happening for you from another person? Is that person giving you the same kindness you're giving them? Is that person being as nice as you are being to them? If the answer is no, then why are you being the bigger person each and every time? Because trust me, that is a really good thing about you, and I'm super proud that you are choosing to be sweet to somebody and nice to somebody, even though the person is not really giving the same efforts for you. But trust me, you need to know when to stop. When you give too much out into the world and don't leave anything for yourself, what you're really doing is shouting out to every single person who knows you that you're the sweetest person, and you're gonna let whatever they want to do to you happen to you, and you're gonna let people take advantage of you and your kindness. And this is why you need to know when you have to stop being too nice, and being too nice is not gonna take you anywhere. It's not gonna build your dream lifestyle, it's not gonna build your dream self. All it's really doing is making new connections with people, which is a really good thing, but only with the right people. Now, I know that this might sound a little confusing, like, okay, we have to be kind, but we don't have to be too kind, but we also have to be kind to make connections, but not too kind to the point where people take advantage of us. It's really not that complicated. People have complicated it so much because people are willing to give out so much, and they're okay if they're not getting it back. But I don't want that for you. Whoever is listening to this, please trust me on this one. I have myself done this for people, that I have always been nice even though they really treated me really badly, even though they did not even deserve my attention at all. And now it's the complete opposite. I have changed myself so much to the point where I really know when to stop putting efforts. I really know when I have to stop being too kind, and I really know where to put people in my life and let them know their place as well. Now, you really need to take a step back sometimes, and you need to realize that, okay, I am being so nice to this person, I'm putting my all in this friendship, I'm genuinely loving them with all my heart. Are they doing the same for me? Are they really respecting me as much as I am respecting them? Are they putting in the same efforts as much as I am? It's not even about materialistic things or buying something for each other all the time, or just constantly meeting each other to let the bond and let the spark be alive. A friendship also feels like a contract at this point, and that's not because people have stopped making friends or making bonds, but people have interlinked every single thing with spending time together, with buying each other stuff, with constantly meeting just to keep the spark alive, to the point where sometimes people forget that it's really in the smallest things. And that's exactly what people don't realize that they have stopped doing, like giving you a small card where they have expressed how grateful they are to have you or your friendship in their life, and many other small things like these, which personally even I had at some point stopped doing for others, because I thought that if they're not doing it for me, why should I do it for them? And then I started realizing that they're not even doing that for themselves. So how are they ever gonna do that for me? And that's as simple as that. Sometimes it's really in the smallest things, and people have stopped looking at that part, and they've started looking so much at the bigger things, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. It's a good thing if the people have limited it to a certain extent, but a very bad thing if they're doing it continuously and not focusing on the smallest things. And this is what kindest people do. This is what probably you must have done too. You're continuously trying to make them realize that there are small things in life that are gonna make you happier sometimes, much happier than the money you have in your wallet, much happier than the bungalow you're gonna own few years later. If the person wanted to, they would. And if the person wanted to see your small efforts or big efforts, they would. But if they're not, you're continuously just hurting yourself at this point. And I really want you to stop doing that. Not because you're not a good person anymore, or not because you're not a nice person anymore. You're the nicest person. But even the nicest person has to be a little bit of a bitch sometimes, to let the person realize that they're doing something wrong and making you feel really bad about it. And they're only gonna realize that when you're gonna stop giving out so much of yourself to them. You really need to understand that people are not gonna value you if you're gonna always be accessible, available, interested, bothered, and super super kind. These are like the 4 or 5 things that I have also seen and experienced, and now I am uninterested, unbothered, unavailable, and not accessible to the people who have hurt me in the past, which is exactly what I want you to do for yourself. And be that person who is not gonna tolerate shit just because you are a nice person. You need to understand when to stop forgiving people, when to stop giving so much of yourself just because you want to be a good person in their eyes. Be a good person in your eyes. Be kind to yourself. Give letters to yourself. Express gratitude to yourself. Express love to yourself. Express anything that you want to express to somebody else, first to yourself. And this is exactly why I thought to talk about this on an episode, because people really don't realize that they're being so nice to everybody else but themselves. And you really need to stop doing that, and you need to start doing all of that for yourself first. Because after some point you're gonna feel so empty, because all you're doing is pleasing everybody else but you. And when you start feeling empty, you're gonna realize your mistakes. You're gonna realize that you did everything for everybody but nothing for yourself. And that regret is gonna be so bad, to the point where you are never ever gonna think of being so kind to people. And that's gonna make you a bad person. See, being too kind is sometimes, or most of the times, bad, because it's a disadvantage to yourself, that you're always there for people no matter what they do. You're gonna get yourself hurt again and again. You're gonna let people walk all over you how much ever they want. But it's also good to some extent. When you're a nice person to some extent, people are gonna respect you, value you and appreciate you so much more. They're actually gonna see your kindness, and they're actually gonna see you for who you are, and not just because you're being very nice or making them feel very special. Because there are gonna be highs and lows in your life too. And if you have people around you who are gonna understand that and who are gonna, appreciate you more on your bad days, those are your people. And you will not understand that who are your genuine people until you actually stop being kind sometimes and start being kind to yourself. Because being kind to others is not always going to be good, but being kind to yourself is never going to be bad. Okay, enough with the kind words. I feel like I have spoken a little too much about this topic, but I really just want you to continuously remind yourself that just because you're being very nice to somebody doesn't mean that you're gonna gain more value or respect or love. All you're really doing is making yourself look stupid. And while being nice is one of the nicest things that a human can show right now, especially in this generation where being cool means being cold-hearted and being a baddie, trust me on this, you're being a baddie when you're being nice to cold-hearted people or people who think that being cold is very cool, because you're making them realize that there is so much in the world except looking cool, except being included in the friend group and being invited to each and every plan and party. You're actually making the world a better place. And if some people don't respect that, it's okay, let them go. You can give all of that to yourself, you can be nice to yourself, and you can make space for the people who are going to enter your life soon. So please just stop thinking that if you're going to do everything for somebody, then you're gonna be everything for somebody. Nobody has ever promised you that if you do this is for me, then you're gonna be my best friend. And trust me, if anybody's ever saying that to you, please run away. Don't do anything for that person, because that is just stupid. You don't have to do every single thing for somebody just to make yourself feel understood, seen, loved, and appreciated. You existing is enough, okay? And please don't let anybody make you feel otherwise. And lastly, I just want to say that being kind is not bad, and all you really need to do is just take a step back when the person is taking advantage of your kindness. That's it. Otherwise, being nice and being a really kind person and a nice person to somebody is never a bad thing. You're always going to be repaid with a lot of goodness. And yeah, I am really proud that you clicked on this episode, because not a lot of people want to actually consciously stop being nice to somebody because they want to feel special in somebody's life. But trust me, you are special just because you exist. You don't have to keep on doing things for people to make yourself feel special or hold more position in their life. If they cannot value you for who you are, don't bother doing things for them. Anyways, with that note, I'd like to end this episode now. And thank you guys so much for listening to me. I really hope that you give your kindness to somebody who deserves it, and please give it to yourself first. Anyways, thank you so much for listening. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Till then, make sure you check all the links out in the description, because I'm posting a lot of stuff now that my boards and my 10th grade is over finally. Haha. Anyways, thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, take care of yourself. I'm very proud of you. Again, being kind is not bad until you do it in a limit. So yeah, and I love you guys so much. Bye.